This is not a Volkswagen. This is an Audi hidden behind the Volkswagen logo. You see, the Volkswagen Tiguan was and still is a very nice, practical, spacious SUV that is actually loved by so many people. Volkswagen has decided to make it better. Now, is it even possible? Well, I have the key to this brand new 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan SE R-Line, which has the most aggressive, sporty design in the exterior. And yes, it does look very cool. We have completely redesigned front end with the brand new headlight, day running lights, and even turn signal lights. The front end of this car does look very cool and sporty because it has the aggressive grille of the SE R-Line, a lot of openings over here, and even have real vents on the side with the side splitter for better aerodynamics, which means better range. And we even have front sensors as well. And here's your R-Line badge. Very cool. I mean, the front end does look very awesome, does look nice, better, and even more aggressive, to be honest. Yes, under the hood we have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, turbocharged of course, pushing around 201 horsepower. So it is definitely more powerful than a previous generation. If we're looking on the side over here, we have 20-inch wheels that is blacked out for the SE trim level, and I gotta say, this is absolutely amazing. I love the wheel design. We have some glass black design around here. R-Line logo, well, another one, like DJ Khaled said. We have glass black mirror as well. Zooming in, zooming out. The side profile definitely looks very cool. I just love it. It's actually 1.5 inches shorter than a previous generation, but magically you have 2 more inches of space for your legroom inside. That's crazy. Blacked out roof with the blackout wheels, and this sand color does look very interesting, doesn't it? It's very cool. And by the way, did you notice that the front and the back bumpers are actually body painted color? That is super cool. Going to the back, I really love this whole LED tail lights. It almost looked like a 3D design over here. Looks very cool. It's connected, just like all the other brands are doing the same thing nowadays. We have the Tiguan letters in black, SE, and it is the 4Motion, which means all-wheel drive. I gotta say, the rear design does look fantastic. We have this also blackout bumper as well. It looks pretty cool. I love the fact that they didn't put fake exhaust tips. And it does have a very good amount of space, just like the previous generation, which was very spacious. This one has the same amount of space, and you have some hidden pockets here, and you even have spare tire and tire equipment underneath there as well. That is very cool. It does have the hand-free opening where you kick the bumper like that and it opens up. So it definitely has very cool features for sure. Overall, the exterior design of this car does look fantastic. I really love this car. Volkswagen has done a fantastic job redesigning the new Tiguan. I cannot wait to see the SE R-Line, which is, well, the highest trim level Tiguan so far, unless the turbo is coming out as well, which has the 268 horsepower. It's technically a GTI Tiguan. Well, let's check out the back space. You open the door, you're greeted with this really cool style here. And then, yeah, this is definitely very cool. I love it. You got some leatherette here, very nice soft leather for your headrest. And you can literally put a baby in here, man. Check it out. It has so much space. This is your seats. They got very nice leatherette as well on the inside with some white stitching. It's gonna be black and gray. And let's check out the space. Oh yeah, very spacious. You have a really good amount of legroom, headroom, and even some pockets here. You got AC vents in the back, 2 USB-C chargers, and you can definitely fit 3 people here. Well, 4 if you want to make it illegal, but it's definitely very spacious. And of course, you have ton amount of headroom with this panoramic sunroof that looks absolutely amazing. And yeah, check out this interior, man. This screen, you can see it from miles away. Yeah, the interior of the Tiguan is very cool, and because it is SE R-Line, you have blacked out roof on the inside as well. You got some reading lights if you're going to read anything here. And just listen to the sound of the door. And this thing feels very solid. Definitely, yeah. The door is very heavy, which means, well, better material. If you ever get in an accident, it's very, you know, very safe. Front door, same design. This is all your window controls, and you could definitely still put another baby here. You could put 4 babies in all the doors. Very spacious. Very cool looking seats in the front. This is gonna be, well, power adjusting pedals. That looks pretty cool. This is all your lights controls. The SE R-Line steering wheel is hands down one of my favorite steering wheels ever. Very nice, sharp edges, you can see that, very sporty. It feels like I'm driving an Audi, to be honest with you. And yes, they don't have the problematic touch pads. It's now real buttons, which is pretty cool. I'm sorry, real buttons. That's pretty cool. Flat bottom, really awesome. And we do have this digital dash. That looks pretty cool. You have a lot of information here. You can show, you know, different menus that you could choose from. And this giant touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that is actually very nice, fast, effective. And I really love the whole layout. It just looks pretty cool. And as you guys noticed, yeah, there is no buttons or knobs anywhere here, which could be a problem for some folks, but I assure you that this is actually very easy to use. You can actually use your volume from here, very nice and fast. And if you want shortcuts to your AC, it's right here. Just press here and it's gonna take you to your AC controls. They move the shift gear from here, they place it right here. So if you actually want to put it in drive, you just do this and then reverse. We have good backup camera with trajectory lines, and then to park it you just press here. And because here is empty, you have, you know, got so much room. Actually, you got cup holders here, and this knob is actually for your volume knob, and it works as other things as well. If you press it down, it's a screen in the middle which you can control your ambient lighting. You could choose to do that from the screen or from this knob. And if you press, if you actually, now you can control your drive modes. That is very, very cool. This, I don't know what they call it. It's a multi-function knob or something like that, but it does look very cool. I love it. More storage area in the center console, man. Finally on the Tiguan. So you actually, let me get out to show you this. It's gonna be better. More space here. Let me show you. So you open this, you are greeted with a little bit of space. You can actually take this off, and now you have so much more space here. And wireless charger with a fan behind it so your phone doesn't get overheat. And you have 2 USB-C chargers over there if you want to. Overall, man, the interior design of the brand new Tiguan is definitely an Audi-like. It feels very premium. You see you have leather here, you know, all the spots that you used to touch in the older generation that feel scratchy, that is gone, baby, gone. So yes, they have done a fantastic job. And before I forget, you do have heads-up display and on SE R-Line model. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Look at that. You got it. Here you go. Heads-up display on the new 2025 Volkswagen SE R-Line. Not the premium, not the SEL, just the regular SE. So there is a lot of improvements for sure on this car. I mean, it does have more power, more premium exterior, more premium interior as well. So yeah, they have done a fantastic job. Very well done, Volkswagen. And I think, in my opinion, yes, it is worth the hype. It's definitely a very fantastic car, and it sure does feel like an Audi. Now, the SEL Premium, or the SEL Premium R-Line, is gonna blow your mind because it has so much more features. But even the SE R-Line, which is technically the mid-trim, does have a heads-up display, ambient lighting, a giant screen, and all that cool looking materials. I mean, honestly, it does feel very premium. Let's check out the specs and the money. So according to Volkswagen, it's going to give you 22 city and 30 miles highway for your MPG. And this is the 2025 Tiguan SE R-Line black. I forgot to mention the black in the beginning of the video, sorry. You get the sandstone color, which is pretty cool, I gotta say. This is all of the features that comes with the car. You can also stop at any given moment. Boom, $39,771. But it has the Volkswagen logo. Yeah, this is my review on the new 2025 Volkswagen Audi Tiguan. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel because I do so much car videos and car reviews. And I want to give a huge shout out to West Houston Volkswagen for lending me this beautiful SE R-Line Tiguan that looks absolutely insane. And come and ask for Marco. He's one of the managers here. He will be able to help you with your next purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.